Hello friend, welcome back. So in this video we'll create some model object model struct for this app. So let's create our CChessPiece first. New file, script, CChessPiece. Okay, so we'll repeat these procedures again and again until you can do it from your muscle memory. We create our enum for player, okay, for 2 players. CChessPlayer, and let's put it here. So enum CChessPlayer, we have 2 cases, right? It's red and black. Based on the rule, red moves first, black. Okay, so now with that we can use that in our struct of CChess struct CChessPiece, and yeah, let location, right, colon int on, yeah, let row int, and player, yeah, player, CChess. There's no player. That's command B to trigger. Yeah, now we have that, and we also want to each object, right, keep the information that each object keep its own the image name of the corresponding piece. Okay, so image name string, command B to refresh. Okay, now with that we can create our next one, right? Next model object, which is C chessboard. So this time let's use a different name, CChessGame. Okay, like that. So we still use a struct. Struct is called a value type. Don't worry about the terminology for now. CChessGame. Okay, so inside this game, right, we'll create a pieces box. Okay, so initially it's empty. Pieces box. Data type, we'll use set. What is the data type of the elements? Of course, CChessPiece, right? And initially is empty. Now, yeah, to be able to be contained inside a set collection data type, we need to make it confirm to the protocol hashable like that. Okay, now command B. Yeah, so now let's try to here in this game we can create our init board, init board function or method. Okay, so function init board, right? So we'll create all the 32 pieces on the board. and let's create our first one. So pieces box dot insert, enter, opening parenthesis, enter. We don't want to come back to modify this again, so let's add another data type inside the piece, because we know we need to make sure, right, we have the information about its rank, like its rook, cannon, or king, or bishop, right? So let's create another enum for that, like that. So new file, CChessRank, like that. So put it here. So this one will be enum. So it's CChessRank. Okay, case. Let's go from the like rook. Okay, so start from king. Case like bishop. Let's start from a rook. Okay, it doesn't matter. Case knight, and okay, next knight. Next one is bishop, and the guard or warrior. Guard is a keyword, so we cannot use guard. So warrior. Okay, and the next one is king, and next one is cannon, and the next one, the last one is pawn. Yeah, so we can use this in our piece. Put it here, that rank. Okay, CChess, command B, CChessRank. Okay, so this way, command B. Yeah, everything is fine. Now let's go back to here to create our insert pieces, right, one by one. So piece box dot insert. We have two black rooks. Okay, so that's the first one is 0. Okay. So starting from today, we'll always use the lower. Okay, logically we'll use the lower bottom left as 0, comma 0. Okay, so it will be, so this one, then the black rook will be here, so it will be like column 0, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so row 9, like that. So prayer, black. Yeah, rank is rook. Yes, image name is called red. This one. Yeah, so oh yeah, we need to make it mutating. Yeah, by default any function of a struct is immutable. Okay, so let's hide, let's make it bigger. Yeah, so we can use a for loop, right, to add the two of them. For I into 0 dot dot less than 2, right, so we can add two of them here. So 1 is that. Okay, so here is 0 plus 8 times I colon. Okay, so it's better we can check that right after we make sure we insert in the correct location. So we'll write the code in drawing here. So we'll create a function like draw pieces right? And here we'll wait a minute, we'll create a shadow piece box here. So we are shadow pieces box. Yeah, the data type is set of CChessPiece, right? Is empty, and we can do a for loop through like a piece in shadow pieces box, and yeah, we want to draw each piece, right? So let's create a function to draw piece. Draw piece at column int row int. So to draw a piece, a single piece, yeah, we'll cut this one and put it here, so we don't need this guy. What is the width? Of course is this guy, right? Cell side. What is the x and the y? Let's give a try. So we'll test this first, okay? Draw piece at 0 and 0. So here I think it's origin x plus column times cell side, and here origin y plus row times cell side. Actually, okay, so we'll auto fix that first. Yeah, it's not quite right, but we'll fix that shortly when we see it on the screen. Yeah, let's run it. So first of all, right, it should be here, 0 0. It should be here, and it means the row is wrong. Row should be rows. Wait a minute. Yeah, rows minus row, like that. Well, it is 9. So what is this one? Is rows 10 minus row 0. Okay, so I think we needed to plus 1 here. Wait a minute. CG float rows. What if it's row 0? So for this one is row 0. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Oh, so it's this one minus 1 minus 0. Let's run it. Yeah, it's here. So we need to move it to oh, I didn't mean that. I mean I want to put it here, right? 9. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now we needed to adjust its center to there, right? So easy, like minus half of the cell side, and same thing here, minus half of the cell side, right? So run it. But we want to, this should be the black rook, okay? Cool. So for that we can draw piece at, so piece dot column, right, and piece dot row, like that. So now we don't need that, we can simply call draw pieces, but our pieces box is still empty, right? So let's go back to here, view controller, to create a model. Here we are, our CChess game equals CChessGame, like that. And when the view did load, we initialize the board. Then now we need to create a variable which represents this view here. So board view, let's hold on control key and drag here, right? Release. This one is our board view. Enter. So now we don't need that. So we'll update the shadow piece box with this main CChessGame dot piece box, right? Now let's run it. Okay, cool. So it means the two pieces, right, we added there, it works. Now let's hide this part to continue working on that. So we have another let's put it here, duplicate that. So let's add two red rook. Okay, so the row is 0 here. Run it. Sorry, it should be red. What's the, let's see what's the name of them. Black. And the well is red. Black. Red. That's weird. And that's red. Image name. Oh, I know. Haha. It's here. Hard coded, right? And draw piece image, draw piece at. Okay, so well, it's image name we'll use. So we can pass in draw piece at. So we can rename. Let's modify this. Draw piece. So PIECE CChess piece, like that. So we can pass in the piece. And wait a minute, I think okay, so let's make less change. Okay, so here is image name, so image name string. Okay, so let's put the image name here and command B. I think we should be able, I just removed the add back the add. Now command B, we should be able to auto fix this one. image name, of course, is piece dot image name. Now let's run it. Okay, now let's go back to the our game, right? So change this to black. Now it should work. Yeah, very good. So let's try to add the knight. Okay, so make a copy of that. This is a black knight, so it will be, the pattern will be, yeah, here and here, 1 plus 6i, and the black knight is like that. Yes, it works. So I think I'll stop the video now. It's already too long, so you can try the rest, okay, as an exercise. Yeah, and here is red one, then it will appear here, right here and here. If you don't know the deployment of that, you can Google Chinese chess, right? Run it. Okay, so let me make a commit, so you can always go to the website, right? GitHub repository to check out, to review, to read the latest code. So status, wow, there's a lot changes. So git commit -a, we drew how many, 8 pieces on board. Okay, so status clean. Now we can push, right? Cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.